everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. We are continue with our series of Valentine shaker cards, and today we are going to use a plain vellum and I'm going to tell you how to make a flat shaker card. Okay, for that I'm using this purple cardstock. This measures 4.5 by 12 and I have scored it at 6 and folded it like this. Then I am taking one metallic cardstock. This is golden color, and I have cut a window by keeping oval die in here and just cutting it out. Okay, and this measures 4/1/4 by 5/7/8. So this I'm gonna stick it here, but first we are gonna put vellum at the back. So our vellum is measuring 4 inches by 5 inches. So I'm gonna stick it with tape. So after you have sticked your vellum, what I have done is again I have put some tacky tape, and since I have cut an oval, so we need to like seal the corners as well, so that our shaker that remains here doesn't go anywhere else. Okay, so now I'm just gonna remove the tape. All right, and then after that we'll put some shaker just in between and I'm gonna stick this. So in this you're gonna need some flat shakers because we are making a flat card, and I'm using this reddish sequence because it will look good with purple. Okay, so I'm just putting this in the center, making it a bit flat. Don't put too much because it depends on what die you're using to make this window. Okay, and then I'm just gonna stick it, keeping a border on all the 3 sides, sticking the first side first, then this side, then this side, and then I'm just gonna move my shaker and then I'm gonna stick the 4th side. Okay, be careful about the shaker what you're using. It might cut through the vellum if it
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine,